time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shot my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Rahmi. I'm from in the class Islamic Economics A. Today we'll learn about calculating national income. What is this calculated national income? National income is calculated by three methods. These include the expenditure method, the production method, and income method. 1. Expenditure method. Under the expenditure method, national income is calculated by summing of up expenditure incurred for different types of goods and services. Both private individuals and government incur expenditure for production and consumption of goods and services. As per the expenditure method, national income is the sum total of government expenditure and individual expenditure. 2. Production method. The production method of national income calculation give an idea about total production of goods and services in an economy during a particular financial year. Under this method, economic activities of a country are divided into three major sectors: primary, secondary, and tertiary. The production of goods and services of different units under each of this sector is then calculated separately. National income is the sum total of production of all these sectors. 3. Income method. Under the income method, national income is calculated as the sum total of factor income obtained by different factors of production. Land, labor, capital, and organization are considered to be the four major factors of production. As per income method, national income is obtained by horizontal summation of reward received by these four factors of production that include rent for land, wage given to labor, interest on capital, and profit of organization. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. See you next time my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.